welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I would love to have you as a subscribe and don't forget the notification bell. Yeah, if you want to see how I got this cute, keep on watching. I use this one for my brows. I love this one and it's in shade number 1. And I use this to set my brows. Well, I got the Ipsy Bag of the month. Look at this bronzer by Ofra. Gorgeous shade. Blush. Wow. Really nice bronzer look. I mean, you can put it wherever you usually contour your face, but okay, love the bronzer of this month. Like Ofra, I love Ofra. What's the next one? I see I'm into highlight. Oh my god. Okay. Now, let me know if you can tell. You can see it's kind of like a saddle highlight. I think it's very pretty, so let me get this brush. They actually had a brush in their beauty bag this month, and it's by, this is the brand and this is the brush. I thought it's not gonna be like anything, but wow, yeah, you can tell that it's there. I mean, I would want a little bit more highlight, but I think for kind of everyday look, this is perfect. What blush should I use? Okay, I love this blush. Stick blush. It's like 2-in-1, like glow stick and a blush, and I'm gonna use my beauty blender. I'm just gonna give it like a nice wet blushy look. I'm gonna put a little bit on my nose to kind of have it like a natural blush. What I like to do, it's like I'm going with the same concealer brush. I'm just gonna go with that here and just apply it on like an eyeshadow. What else in this bag? I have no idea what is that. Oh my god. This is the brand Wonder Beauty. I think it's a clean brand, I would say. And it was in my Ipsy bag this month. Look at that. Look. Like, can you even touch it for you? What? What? Oh my god. Ah, amazing. It looks so pretty. Oh my god. So I am using my fingers for that because why not? I don't know, I feel like without my finger I can get the same look. What else do I have here? Okay, a lip balm. We all need. Can you tell by? Yeah. Good lip balm. Let's see how it smells and how it tastes, you know? Minty. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to Okay, I got this one from Urban Outfitters, and I always wanted to do like a faux freckles, you know, and I always use this filter on my IG, so I really wanted to actually try it, like how it will look with my makeup. So yeah, let's try it. It's so cute, super cute. Okay, I just open it and oh, so it's like a dot. Should I just do a dot on my face? I'm scared. Okay, let's do it. But then I think I'm going to powder it a little to just have it like, yeah, I don't know. I'm just gonna go like that, I think. Ooh, is it too much? I think it is. But yeah. And then I'm gonna go with my beauty blender to kind of blend everything. It looks cute. I think I need more freckles, but oh, it's so cute. Well, I don't know. Ah, I think just on my cheek, it's cute. I think that's cute. Yeah, I think for a more natural look, I will look like why I have like more dots there. Actually, if I'll go on my real dots, I think I'm gonna go with this Marc eyeliner with this brown shade from Marc Jacob, and I'm gonna go like that, like on my upper waterline. Oh, I also put some on my upper lash line. So how are you guys? How is like the quarantine time and all this craziness? And I'm here doing my makeup, so you guys have some like getaway place, but you know, I know things are tough. But yeah, let me know in the comment below, like, how do you spend this day so far? What else I need? I need my mascara. What mascara should I use? 2 mascaras. So first one, I want to kind of like roll my lashes, and I'm going to use this Roll Lashes by Benefit. It's just to kind of roll them up. And then I'm gonna go with another mascara. Okay. Use this mascara by, where is it now? By YSL. Shocking that I still love this mascara. I love it. Yeah. I'm gonna put some on my lower lash. Not too much, because I don't like it too much. Because my lashes are so long, even like the down lashes, I don't like to put on. So I'm into this color. I'm going to use Bite Beauty lip liner in the shade lip pencil in the shade 062. Okay. Actually, this look is very corally, cutie look. I love playing with makeup. It just makes me happier. Forgot inner corner highlight. That was bugging me. Now I understand. My favorite inner corner highlight. This one is the opal highlight. You can get it by its own, but I have it here in my bronzer. So on, amazing. I'll put some here. Good, why not? I love it there. So I'm gonna take more of this she highlight with the beauty blender and just put some over here. I'm gonna wear this Kylie Lip Gloss in the shade Sweet. Super pretty. Natural look. Not too much. And still you have it a really pretty cell gloss. Smells really good. It smells amazing. I don't know, are you more into gloss or are you more into lipsticks or liquid lipsticks? Let me know in the comment below. And yeah, I think that's it for this look. Beside my hair, it's not done.